In February 2023, the OnePlus Ace 2 was launched in China, and the same phone was launched in India as the OnePlus 11R. The phone featured the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and a 5,000 mAh battery. The brand is preparing to launch its successor in the Chinese market, the OnePlus Ace 3, which is also called as OnePlus 12R. The OnePlus 12R will be the first of our series phone to be sold outside China and India. We already know the OnePlus Ace 3 will be available in 3 color options, and today we got the official teasers of the OnePlus Ace 3 now and other details about the smartphone ahead of launch event. Design-wise, it closely resembles the OnePlus Ace 2, featuring a circular camera module in the top left corner housing a triple camera setup and an LED flash. Similar to the OnePlus 12, an additional LED flash module is positioned outside the camera module. As mentioned, the phone is offered in at least 3 colors: blue, bronze, and black, with indications that not all options may extend beyond the Chinese market. Leaks suggest the OnePlus Ace 3 will boast a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, US 3.1 for the 128GB variant. Notably, the device packs a substantial 5,500 mAh battery with support for 100 watts fast charging. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel primary Sony IMX890 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The phone features a 6.78-inch XDR display with LTPO 4.0, offering a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And like the OnePlus 12, the alert slider, so popular with OnePlus devotees, will be present in its new location of the left-hand edge instead of the right. In terms of release dates, the OnePlus Ace 3/OnePlus 12R is set to launch in China on January 4, followed by a global market release on January 23 on an event called Smooth Beyond Belief. That's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for more updates on this smartphone launch events and detailed review. Until next time, signing off.